Hey, welcome back to the Quizzer, Odin. It's time to test your eyes and observation skills with our 40 new puzzles at 3 difficulty levels today. Find the ODD one out, Snack Edition. If you're ready, subscribe to the channel and start with some easy questions first. Round 1. Can you find the emoji that doesn't belong here? Well done! You got it right. Round 2. Which emoji doesn't match the others? Brilliant! That's the correct answer. Round 3. Optical illusion question. Can you guess this logo? Correct, it's Lay's logo. Round 4. Can you spot the odd emoji out? That's the correct choice. Round 5. Look closely. Can you spot the emoji that's out of place? Yes, you did an amazing job. Round 6. Which snack is this? So easy, it's Cheetos. Round 7. Can you pick out the emoji that looks different? Awesome work, you got it. Round 8. Which snack do you like more, Flamin' Hot or Puffs Cheetos? Don't forget to leave the comment. Round 9. Can you guess this hidden snack? Yes, it's Pringles. Round 10. There's one emoji here that doesn't fit. Can you find it? That's absolutely right. Well spotted. Round 11. Well done, you got it right. Round 12. Which emoji stands out from the rest? You got it right. Round 13. Spot the emoji that doesn't appear more than once. Lays is the only unique one here. Round 14. Find the odd emoji among these. Well done, you completed the task perfectly. Round 15. Squint a little and guess this snack. Aha, this is Oreo. Round 16. Can you find the emoji that doesn't belong in this group? You did an excellent job on this challenge. Round 17. Identify the emoji that stands out from the rest. Fantastic work. You nailed it. Round 18. Great job, you got it right. Round 19. Can you notice which emoji doesn't have a match? Pretzels doesn't appear twice. Round 20. Can you find the unique emoji in this set? Yes, that's the one. Round 21. Which one is the odd emoji in this lineup? That's correct. You're sharp-eyed. Round 22. Who's your favorite snack, combos or bugles? Round 23. Can you guess this snack by these emoji? It's M&M. Round 24. One emoji is different from the rest. Can you spot it? Nice job. That's the one. Round 25. You nailed it. That's the right answer. Round 26. Which one doesn't belong here? Well done, that's the right answer. Round 27. Pay attention. There's an object cleverly disguised in this picture. Can you find it? Well done. Popcorn is skillfully hidden. Round 28. Locate Butterfinger in the popcorns. Here it is, it can't fool you. Round 29. Which snack is hidden? Great, it's goldfish. Round 30. Look closely. Can you identify the different emoji? That's absolutely correct. Round 31. Which of these emojis doesn't fit in? Fantastic. That's the correct answer. Round 32. One emoji looks slightly different. Can you find it? Yes, you spotted it perfectly. Round 33. Memory test. Pay close attention to the snack positions. Can you recall where Starburst was? Starburst's hiding under number 3. Round 34. Look closely, a mysterious figure is concealed in this image. Can you identify it? You got it. Gummy Bears was right there all along. Round 35. Can you figure out which emoji is different? Great job, that's the right pick. Round 36. This one is tricky. Which emoji doesn't belong? Excellent, you've got a keen eye. Round 37. Which emoji doesn't match the others? Exactly, that's the right one. Round 38. Do you like Kit Kat more, or is Twizzlers your favorite? Round 39. Can you detect the odd one in this group? Yes, that's the correct selection. Round 40. Not everyone can see the difference, can you? That's spot on. Well done. Wow, you have finished all 40 questions of this challenge. Show me how many of them you passed. Please tell me in the comments section below how many points you received. Don't forget to subscribe to Odin Quiz channel in order not to miss lastest quizzes. Goodbye and see you tomorrow.